Hello everyone, today we're diving into the features of the RAVS Butane Torch Lighter, a versatile tool perfect for both culinary and craft enthusiasts. Crafted from high-quality copper, this torch promises durability and a precise, stable flame, even in windy conditions, making it ideal for camping, hiking, or even a backyard barbecue. Its compact and portable design ensures it's easy to carry and store, while the removable wide base offers flexibility for handheld use at various angles. With a flame regulator and a leak-proof inflation valve, refilling is a breeze, taking just 10 to 15 seconds for a full tank. The piezo electronic ignition allows for one-handed operation, and the adjustable flame control lever lets you choose the intensity of the flame, with a continuous flame function for added convenience. Whether you're caramelizing a creme brulee, soldering jewelry, or lighting candles, this multi-purpose culinary torch has got you covered. Remember, it comes with a 1-year technical support, but you'll need to fill it with butane before the first use, so be sure to choose the correct butane tank and read the instructions carefully. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.